How do you optimize for local search? Local search optimization is necessary for targeting your local customers. The data collected over the years has proven that there are strategies that help optimize your website for local search. The most important strategy is to have a robust Google Business Profile. By claiming your Google Business Profile, you ensure accurate information appears on Google Maps and local search results. You should include comprehensive details like business name, address, phone number, website, and operating hours. Another strategy is keyword optimization. Research local keywords aligned with your target audience and incorporate them into your headings, meta tags, content, and alt tags. This helps search engines understand your locality and will aid in displaying your site for local searches. Another popular strategy is creating location-specific landing pages. If you customize pages with detailed location-specific information, testimonials, and valuable localized content, you can improve your local search rankings. Consistency in name, address, phone, and website URL across all online directories is vital. You should also maintain accurate and matching information on your website, listings, social media profiles, and directories. Any inaccurate or inconsistent information confuses search engines and potential clients, negatively impacting local search visibility. Lastly, your online ratings and reviews significantly impact local SEO. Encourage satisfied customers to post positive reviews on platforms like Google and Yelp and promptly respond to all reviews to demonstrate commitment to customers. So to summarize, claim and optimize your Google Business Profile listing. Implement local keywords, create location-specific landing pages, maintain consistent data, and encourage customer reviews. If you would like more information on how to appear on local searches, be sure to check us out at bruceclay.com.